Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to deposit money in stake from Binance. Alright, so let's begin. First, open up your preferred browser and search for stake. A bunch of search results will appear on your screen. Simply access the first one and you will on this page. Here, sign into your account and this type of interface will appear. Now tap on this wallet option, then on tap on deposits. Now, select the cryptocurrency which you would like to deposit. For this video, I would like to deposit USDT. Then, select the network. I want to use the BNB Smart Chain because it has low fees. After that, copy this address. Now, head to your wallet. For the sake of this video, I'll be using Binance, so now head over to your wallet. So now let me head over to my wallet. Then, head over to your spot section of funding, depending on which one you have crypto. Now, tap on your USDT. So now I'll just tap on withdrawal. Then tap on send via crypto network. Here, paste the address that we copied from stake. Then select the network. Note that you must have to select the same network that you have selected in stake, because if you will do any mistake, your data will be lost. So now input the amount. For any amount of sending this, we'll deduct the same fee. So now I'll just tap on withdrawal. Now it will take you to this page where you have to confirm your action. It also warned that if you do any mistake, then all of your withdraw assets will be lost. So I'll just tap on confirm. Then it will ask for the authentication. So use any of your preferred authenticating method and enter the code. And you are done. So that's basically how you can deposit money in stake from Binance. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.